Man, the fact that he was with his daughter makes it so much worse, knowing he had to acknowledge his daughter was going to die and he couldn't do anything to help her. When I saw it, for whatever reason, nice vintage I don't snore I dream I am a motorcycle shirt, it got me thinking about how he transcended the game of basketball. I was just at the gym a couple of days ago, and while I was stretching I saw a guy leaving fade away and toss his towel into the bin while shouting the infamous Kobe quote. When I watched him play his final game I couldn't help but laugh. Like most of us, to have nice vintage I don't snore I dream I am a motorcycle shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. I don't really like giving anyone death more or less attention than another. They're all tragic and the most unfortunate part of life. However, that, in and of itself, speaks to the impact of a Kobe. He's probably the greatest NBA player that's ever died. Unlike the MLB, NHL, or NFL, it's a nice vintage I don't snore I dream I am a motorcycle shirt still alive. Bill Russell, Kareem, Oscar Robertson to name a few. The only deceased player that really other product.